baby girl. Oh my God. Paw Patrol, are you okay? I'm so sorry. Aww. Do it. Honey, can we show how we give high fives? Are you happy about giving the high five? Oh my God.
You little weenie. Jump. Do it. Do it. Oh!
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same.
Lola, it's time to clean your litter box. I'm sure it's not that bad. Oh, I'm not doing that shit. That's it. That's it. You're wearing a diaper.
My antidepressants made me feel really sick, so now I'm eating oatmeal. And I shaved off half my eyebrows. No, I got post-traumatic Down syndrome. Oh!
He just got neutered. He won't wear. No! Don't lick your balls! Okay. Do not move. Or you don't. Okay. No, stop. Please, please. Please stop. Please, please.
Don't. No. No. Hot. Hot. No. Hey, Stella.
Let's do airplane. Ooh, the space. Patty cake. Boop bop, boop bop, boop bop. You are my pride and my joy in my heart. No. Da, play the harmonica.
What are you doing here?
Wait, is she dead? Oh no. Kitty? Hello? Oh no, Helig.
Now I've always wondered if I can put him on my shoulders like a kid at Disney World. Yeah. Oh, no way!
That show. I mean, first they say that Mr. Shu doesn't know anything about choreography. And then like 3 episodes later, he's this fantastic choreographer. Take a